Guys, there we have a Nokia C21 Plus, and today I will show you how you can perform a reverse photo search in the Google. So in this device you don't have a Google Lens, how you can see, so we have to use for it our web browser. To do it we have to open our browser and go to google.com, and it's very important, switch your web browser to the desktop side. How you can see now, a small icon of camera appears, so click it. Now there click there for upload the photo and click allow. Now choose the photo when you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one and click done. Now the photo is uploading, and how you can see, by that way we can search a Google image in the Google, and every information about that. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, and goodbye.